Hello, I'm Steve Gonzalez with Smidget Enterprises in Tampa, Florida. Today we're going to learn how to fix a thermostat for a central heating and air system. Here we have a digital thermostat, which of course has no display. So we're going to remove it and see what's wrong with it. All right, this particular one has batteries, so let's start with replacing the batteries. Take the old ones out. Put the new ones in. And there we have display. So we're going to reinstall it. And that's how you fix a thermostat on a central air system. I'm Steve Gonzalez with Smidget Enterprises in beautiful Tampa, Florida.